Hi, greetings. Our today topic is to get knowledge through a robotic exploration of Mars led by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. So let's begin. Mars Perseverance Rover Mission 2020. The Mars 2020 Perseverance Rover mission is a robotic exploration of Mars led by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. It is part of NASA's Mars Exploration Program, a long-term effort of robotic exploration of the Red Planet. The mission addresses high-priority science goals for Mars exploration, including key questions about the potential for life on Mars. Mission objectives. The primary objectives of the Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission are: to search for signs of ancient microbial life on Mars, to characterize the planet's climate and geology, to collect and cache samples of Martian rocks and soils for potential return to Earth. Mission timeline. The Mars 2020 Perseverance rover was launched on July 30, 2020, and landed safely on Mars on February 18, 2021. The rover's primary mission is expected to last for at least 1 Martian year, 687 Earth days. Scientific instruments. The Perseverance rover is equipped with a suite of scientific instruments that will be used to study the Martian environment and search for signs of ancient life. These instruments include RIMFAX, a ground-penetrating radar that can image the subsurface of Mars; SuperCam, a laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy instrument that can identify the chemical composition of rocks and soils; Mastcam-Z, a stereo camera system that can take high-resolution images and videos of the Martian surface; META, a suite of sensors that measure the Martian atmosphere, including temperature, pressure, humidity, and wind speed; SHERLOC, a Raman spectrometer and laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy instrument that can identify the mineralogy and organic molecules in rocks and soils; Planetary Instrument for X-ray Lithochemistry, PIXL, a micro-X-ray fluorescence spectrometer that can identify the elemental composition of rocks and soils at a microscopic level; MOXIE, an experimental instrument that produces oxygen from the Martian atmosphere; Sample caching. Perseverance is the first rover to collect and cache samples of Martian rocks and soils for potential return to Earth. The rover can collect up to 31 samples, which will be stored in sealed tubes and placed in a cache on the Martian surface. A future mission will retrieve the cache and return the samples to Earth for further study. Ingenuity Mars helicopter. The Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission also includes a small robotic helicopter called Ingenuity. Ingenuity is the first aircraft to attempt controlled flight on another planet. The helicopter successfully completed 35 flights on Mars before its mission ended in April 2022. Mission progress. As of October 2023, the Perseverance rover has completed 2.5 years of exploration on Mars. The rover has driven over 18 kilometers, 11 miles, and collected 14 rock and soil samples. Perseverance has also made a number of important scientific discoveries, including evidence of an ancient river delta in Jezero crater, which suggests that the crater was once a lake. Organic molecules in Martian rocks, which could be signs of ancient life. Oxygen production from the Martian atmosphere using the MOXIE instrument. To support a human mission to Mars, we have to bring a lot of stuff from Earth, like computers, spacesuits, and habitats. But oxygen? If you can make it there, go for it. You're way ahead of the game. Jeff Hoffman, MOXIE Deputy Principal Investigator. The Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission is one of the most ambitious robotic missions to Mars to date. The rover is making significant progress towards its mission objectives, and its discoveries are helping us to better understand the Red Planet. Perseverance's sample caching system is also paving the way for the first ever return of Martian samples to Earth. The Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission is a major milestone in the exploration of Mars. It is helping us to answer some of the most fundamental questions about the Red Planet, including whether or not it was ever habitable for life. I hope you liked the article. Thanks for watching. Please watch, subscribe and comments. Stay connected for more.